Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, like slow speeds, random drops, or low bars, but you don't want to spend money on new equipment, yeah, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to boost your Wi-Fi signal for free using simple tricks that actually work. First, restart your router. I know it sounds basic, but it clears temporary issues and can instantly improve signal strength. Now this is a big one. Place your router in a central open area. Avoid corners, floors, or behind furniture, because walls and objects block Wi-Fi signals. Try placing your router higher up, like on a shelf or table. Wi-Fi signals spread better when they're not blocked from below. If your router has antennas, adjust them. One vertical and one horizontal setup can help cover both floors and wider areas. Keep your router away from electronics like microwaves, TVs, or Bluetooth devices. These can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal without you even noticing. Too many connected devices can slow everything down. So disconnect devices you're not using to free up bandwidth. If your router supports it, switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 has longer range, while 5 GHz is faster but shorter. Another trick, change your Wi-Fi channel. Some channels get crowded, especially in apartments, so switching to a less busy one can improve signal quality. Check for router firmware updates. Updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and boost signal stability. And this one's interesting. You can use simple DIY reflectors like aluminum foil behind your router antennas to direct the signal toward your room. And that's it. No money spent, but your Wi-Fi signal should already be stronger and more stable. Try a few of these tips together, and you'll notice a real difference.